Good morning, everyone. I, Aniket Mangraj, of Class 20 of DAV Barampur, going to explain you something informative about the flashcard activity. Flashcard is nothing, it is just the interesting collection of various questions that will help us to remember the given topic. So I here had prepared an flashcard on the topic political parties. So flashcard. The standard size of flashcard is just 3 by 5 inch, or we can say that 7.6 by 12.5 in centimeter. Either 3 by 5 inches or 7.6 by 12.5 centimeter. For writing flashcard, we shall use varieties of color pens or pencils to make our flashcard interesting so that the person who is seeing or viewing our flashcard or else we all also feel interesting to read the flashcards. It will create an interest among us to read the flashcards and the various information present in it. Next is organizing your notes and textbooks. Before preparing the flashcards, we all should learn and organize our textbooks and notebooks, read the textbook thoroughly and the class notes which we are given so that we can know about various questions and we can write them all in our flashcards. Next is many of us are good in computers also. We can try various online flashcards also. One such online flashcard app is Jug Flashcards, which is an interesting app through which we can create and make flashcards in online or virtual form. But here I had prepared an flashcard in offline form or in papers on the topic political parties. Next is flashcard is not a textbook, so we cannot write it as like it is given in paragraphs as in textbook. We write all the content in the flashcards in a sort of way so that it is easy for us to remember and it is easy for our brain to absorb the information of the content. We generally prefer the shorter form of writings so that we can easily remember all the concepts. Next is writing on both the sides of the cards. Our cards contains two sides. If you use only one side of the card, it will look so not so good. So generally we are using both the sides of the card so that it is looking interesting. In one page you can write the question, in the other page you can write the answer, but in my case I had written the question and answer in one page and the picture related to that I had pasted in the other page so that the my flashcard will look attractive to you all. Writing in bright colors. If I have used dull colors and all, will my flashcard look so interesting to you all? I don't think so. Flashcards are generally looking nice in bright colors. Use various different types of colors to write on the flashcard. Similarly, I had also used various colors to one color for writing the question, another color for writing the answers. This will make your flashcard more pretty. Next is addition of pictures related to the questions. If we don't intersect or put our pictures into the flashcard, it will not look. See my cover page. If I have not drawn any kinds of pictures here, will my flashcard look pretty interesting? No, it is not. So try to paste the picture related to the question in the flashcard itself. It will make your flashcard interesting so that your viewer of your flashcard or you yourself can will gain interest to read the flashcard. Always keep remember, attractive look always attracts brains. How attractive your flashcard will look, that much attractive your mind will get towards your flashcard, and you will gain the interest to read more and more about your flashcard, and that concept will be clear in your brain. Next is limit your deck of cards. Not too much thick, not too much thin. Fix a fixed number is there for your flashcard, which will make your flashcard um, comfortable and more easy to remember. So generally we use 25 to 30 cards for our flashcard. Here I had used 30 cards for making my flashcard. Next, your cover page. The given topic have some given cover page. As in my case, I had received the topic political parties. You can use this political parties cover page, like I had here drawn many kinds of political party symbol which represents like concept or theme of political parties. This is all about your cover page. This cover page will make the viewer of your flashcard little bit impressed on you. Next is the top of the flashcard or the top card of your deck of cards. It is your own introductory card. Here also I represented many, as you can see, many political parties. I had insert, I written the theme, concept, and my details. The topmost card of the flashcard should always include your topic, subject, name, class section, roll number, date, and session. Here I had written political science activity, flashcards, submitted by Aniket Mangaraj myself, class 10th D, roll number 8. Like this, your top page should also be there with all this information, so that it will be easier for the teachers or else whoever views your flashcard to recognize you. This is all about your flashcard. Just for example, I want to show my flashcard to all of you. This is the cover page. I had written all the criteria which I had informed you all. This is my, I had attached my flashcards with the binding rings, so that it will be, you can use thread and stapler also if you want. Next, I had used my cover page on political parties. I had started my question from question number 1, question, answer, and the picture related to it. Similarly, question, answer, and the picture related to it. Like this, I had done my flashcard activity successfully. I hope you will all like my activity and you will be impressed by my work. Thank you everyone for viewing me. Thank you.